My name is Deepak. I am father of Sumit. I would like to sincerely thank RNM classes and his team for growth of Sumit, whatever he could achieve so far. And in particular, RNM sir, because 1 year before, when there were a lot of disturbances because of some issues which we had, plus COVID situation. So RNM classes was there to continuously keep the classes on, and actually there was no interruption to Sumit's studies. In fact, he would study more than what he could have if there was offline classes, to be very frank. Because I know that a lot of students got disturbed because of COVID. Their classes were off. Online classes were on and off, and even if they started, they could not be so successful, or continuous rhythm was not there. So the momentum was there from RNM classes, and I was from the beginning having a lot of belief in RNM sir in particular, because I knew that even though this is the startup RNM classes in their first year, and they have done significantly, extremely well job looking at the first year, but I am not surprised because RNM sir has got more than 20 years of experience after passing out of IIT, and his team is also from reputed institutes, and he knows the topic of coaching students and take them to the parent. We are there to give them resources, and students are studying, but the guidance and the smart study is something which experience can be able to give, and that is what we got from RNM sir. So I knew that my son is in safe hands with rich experience. I don't want to take credit from Sumit. He did a lot of hard work. I provided resources, but many people have that, but still people go to the classes and that expected success does not come to them. So, sir, really thank you for your support, because it was a situation of completely losing the confidence during the COVID situation, but things did not change for studies. And one more thing I would like to say that RNM classes, there is a very close monitoring and supervision, 24/7 accessibility. Whenever you go with a problem or any issues you accept, you really have a democratic way of working and not imposing your rules and policies. You took all the parents in confidence in case of doing any new things or any innovative idea which you have to run the classes in the better way. So all credit goes to RNM sir and his team for that matter. And yeah, I'm very thank. And one more thing, I will say that uh, even the fees as a parent was not so high compared to other coaching classes. So it was very competitive fees, like parents, okay, I could afford more fees, but then there are good students whose parents cannot afford so high fees of a reputed coaching. I mean the established coaching classes, I would say, while the quality of RNM classes still remains at par in terms of coaching experience and the inputs and their methodology, at par with all the reputed and established coaching classes. However, fees is relatively or much competitive, so that other parents can really take the RNM classes, and definitely they will have success, because this class and RNM sir knows what it takes to prepare students to get into IITs. Because I remember the quality of the test, Sumit was not scoring good marks, and I used to be always unhappy. I used to say that either he is lacking in whatever hard work he is doing, or something else is happening. So I really thank, because whatever he could score, I remember number of marks. If I say, he has done better than those test marks in actual exam. That is a surprising factor for me. Otherwise, I was considering, okay, he is reaching to certain score and certain percentile, and then I was thinking, okay, it will be less than what he is getting in the test. So thanks to having very tough test, so that they were really tested to their best of the abilities and whatever studies they did. So in the actual exam, they all students plus Sumit also have done good job, and I'm very happy that he has done very well in his classes, and I hope that he maintains similar tempo and the momentum and good studies and hard work under the guidance of RNM sir and his team, so that he also performs similarly into advance, and he gets a good IIT, he gets admission into good IIT. So this is what I have to say about RNM classes, and in particular for RNM sir. Thank you very much.